got a cat on the floor. We got the James. I ain't give it down, but I ain't no snicker guy. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna add some females to the content. It been whining too. It been popping too. Hold on.
On my Draco, real deal soldier boy, nothing like this Draco. Bottom then we got when I spin tinted SRT.
YouTube! Hey man, we got some bad news, bro. No, we don't. Check this out, bro. The cat's in the garage right now. Oh shit! I almost buzzed my ass. So I gotta clear all this out just to get the cat out, bro. Otherwise, I'm gonna be spinning. Damn! They got a little chop to it. Oh, I almost bust my ass. Hold on. Let me lock the garage real quick. Damn, we already lost daylight, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. But, oh, damn, I just banged my head on this shit, bro. Damn. It's a bad time to film a video, bro. I'm recording over my phone, too. Y'all can't see nothing but my teeth. Bro. Y'all look at this, bro. They don't want to look get out the sideway. I like zooming out, especially when I record on my phone, because you just capture everything. But during nighttime, it throws off the quality. Put my seatbelt on first, then my brain gonna activate. Yes, sir. So my goal was go out, grab some content, get next to the snow or some. I don't want to cuss, you know what I'm saying? Get next to the snow and make it like a snow type vlog, content video, or whatever. Because I did told y'all, you know, I want to chill on the. It's no. I mean, I take that back. Ain't no chill on the. You know what I'm saying? On the cutting up in traffic, Because all my video, you know, no dumb shit. You feel me? I say I don't want to cuss, and I'm over here using the S word. Forgive me. See, I gotta turn the light on so y'all can see my black ASS. Damn. The caption might catch there and turn into a curse word, which it is. But hey, man. But I wanted to go grab some reels for my. Because I got like 3 Instagram right now. I got my oluwa.co. Then I got my other one, Oluwa with 2 I's. oluwabamiseoketunmbi. That one's strictly car content. Then my oluwa, it's kind of like, you know, live. Not really live, to be honest. You know, I want to incorporate my live with it too, to be honest. So, and I also have the SRT slider page. Some of y'all that don't know, pre-sale a lot of it. Everybody knows. I run that page. You know what I'm saying? We're about 85K followers. We're like 800 followers away. We started this. Me and my partners came on board. Started this July of 2022. I guess we're just gonna turn this video to. I don't know. I just switched the topic so fast, bro. I think it's supposed to snow tomorrow. Take this out the eco mode, bro. We got enough gas. Stay fill up. I want to do a video for y'all though, like how much it costs to fill up Hellcat Sport. I'm gonna roll the window down, bro. I'm gonna see if I can find some good location where I can grab some reels, to be honest, of the car. Damn, bro. Let me in. I had cars like this, bro. Okay, appreciate it. I have to give you a little push, but y'all know I do the speed limit all the time. I just have to, you know what I'm saying, push it a little bit. So what they say talking about in the last lovely 33-degree weather. Everybody and their mama just getting work too. But yeah, like I was saying, you know, I want to change up my content. I ain't gonna lie, I want to add some females to the content. What's up, Subi, man? Subaru, my guy. I want to add some females to the content, to be honest. You know, just mix it up instead of, you know, cutting up because I blew up off cutting up in traffic. You know what I'm saying? Especially when I went to Atlanta, a lot of people always make fun of me. A lot of my guys be like, Atlanta, I didn't say it right. Hey man, I got an accent, bro, from Nigeria, but it been whining too. It been popping too. Hold on, okay. So I like to hear. Hold on. Look at this driver, bro. Getting close to me for no reason. Oh, Allah! Man, this cat gonna have me acting crazy. No cap. Damn popo right there. Let me roll the window up. See, you be lit every time you're in the cat, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You be lit. You don't even be focusing up. I don't know how the quality looking like right now, bro. I don't know if y'all can see me. Like I said, it was a bad time to do this video, but I had to get a video out for y'all, bro. I haven't dropped a video in like a week. You feel me? So I just wanted to get something out for y'all. But yeah, but with the whole female thing, I ain't gonna talk too much about it. Y'all just gonna have to see, man. I don't want to fake it to y'all, bro. You know what I mean? There's no growth in faking. That's me right there. That's my belief. You know, there's no growth in people. I'm not gonna use people. I'm gonna use myself as an example. There's no growth in me, or you know, there's no growth in fake. Literally, there's no growth in fake. That's why I always keep it real every time, bro. Everybody that's around me or that's close to me, no, I always keep it 100. You know, ain't no sugarcoating nothing, ain't no fake nothing. You know what I'm saying? Because there's no growth in it. There's no growth. I want growth. Everything I want is growth, and there's no growth in fakes. Shit. Back to what I was saying. I think this is like the second, third time I said back to the whole female conversation. But I am incorporating some more content on the channel. Y'all just gonna have to give me some time, man. You know, trying to put some stuff together. Y'all gonna enjoy it, bro. I promise y'all gonna like it. You know, just doing a little bit of everything, man. You know, my baby being in the garage, you just sit there, bro. You know, and most of the time, not most, every time I'm working. You know what I'm saying? I work Monday to Saturday. So whenever I feel like, okay, shit, let me make a content. You know, let me grab it. Let me go have fun. You know, I bring y'all along. You know, so y'all can enjoy the content, enjoy the car ride, enjoy the wine. Even though this is not whining like that yet, and I just have no plan or intention or putting money into the car. You know what I'm saying? The car already, it's already an investment. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna keep pushing these videos out, and potentially it goes have the content pay for the car, or after content pay for some upgrade. Matter of fact, I lied, bro. I got something for y'all, bro. Just a little cold air intake so y'all can hear the wine. I'm over here acting like I'm not getting paid off YouTube. I ain't getting paid like that. And I'm keeping 100% real with y'all. Last paycheck off YouTube was like $200 or $180, something like that. It's a blessing, man. You know, because never in a million years would I think I'm gonna be getting paid off YouTube. You know, it's just one of those things. Like, I love making people's day. I love making videos. Because if you've been keeping up with my channel, man, you know, I've been dropping videos since, like, I want to say 3-4 years ago with my Nissan Maxima. So it wasn't when I got my Hellcat. I was when I started dropping videos. Nah, I've been dropping video, but you know, it's just a feel good, you know, moment. Like, oh, I'm actually getting paid off of this. So it makes me go hard, you know, want to push out this content more for y'all and do more for y'all. You know what I'm saying? But before I can really do more for y'all and start doing like things that I really want to do, which is like, you know, give away, you know, and stuff like that, get connect to a lot of my loyal subscribers. You know, let's keep it real. It costs. You know what I'm saying? It costs. But in the meantime, like I say, we're just gonna keep dropping this content. You know what I'm saying? Keep making a name for ourselves so we can get up there, man. You know, but we got I want to say sunset, but the sunset went down already. So I guess this is like, I don't know what I'm tired of the video. I'd be like, I don't want to tie it with POV drive. You know, POV drive. Bringing a cat out in the snow. It's not even snowing yet. The road is dry as, I don't know what to match it with, but the road is dry. Oh, this might be a crispy thumbnail right here. No cap. Hold on, let me turn the light off. Hold on. Semi. But yeah, it did snow yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday it snowed a lot. And y'all can tell by my driveway. I had some snow on my driveway, so it snowed pretty. You know, it wasn't that much. You know, it snowed yesterday. Colorado snows a lot. I know compared to other states like Alaska and stuff like that, they get more snow than us. So I don't know. I might just drive the cat somewhere to where we can find some snow. Probably perhaps get a picture from there as a thumbnail or whatever. But in the meantime, we do, you know what I'm saying? Just chopping it up, having a good time driving. I wanted to stop by and go get gas, but then I saw my gas and I'm like, yo, I got gas already. Let's switch lane real quick. Yeah, the car is clean too, like, because every time I bring it out on the weekend, I always make sure I, get a great car wash, clean car wash, put it in the garage, make sure it's clean. At the end of the day, I drive this shit. You feel me? It's not like, oh, I just get right. Hell no, I bring it out, I have fun. Look at that little Honda. Y'all know people be like, oh, Honda got a laptop, Honda got this, they fast. Most of them fast, but every time, bro, hold on, I gotta turn the light on for this. Every time you see a Honda driver, bro, especially them type of Hondas or Honda Civic, the older ones, and you be like, hey, man, you got a computer, you got a laptop in there? You know damn well their ass don't got a laptop in there. They be like, yeah, don't turn over. Look, ugly ass. Man, turn your light on, bro. Look at that car. Turn your light on. Your headlight. Get off your phone, too. Like, I'm over here on my phone recording. We're going to bust this Yui real quick. I think I'm going to head back that way. Oh yeah, on the SRT slider page, I drop reels on it every single day. Literally 7:30 in the morning, 7:30 a.m. then 5:30 p.m. So yeah, in a couple minutes, I'm gonna end the video. Not end the video, but like cut out the video so I can get on the page and drop reels. It's a consistency too, man. Like. Started July of last year, 2022, and the growth of it just crazy. We have 4,200 followers already, and the goal is that my goal for the page with the content is honestly, come on, go, cross. But yeah, my goal for the content is, we're gonna come out with merch, we're gonna make this a big name thing, content side of the SRT slider, you know what I'm saying? Just branch out with it, like honestly, like make it a big name, SRT sliders. Remember the name right now, SRT sliders. Remember the name, man. We coming. Just like our Deion Sanders saying, primetime coach, we coming. We are, that shit sound good as hell. We are coming. Oh, that shit sound, damn. Pause. We are COMING, bro. We are, take out you want to take. We are coming, bro. But yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm excited for the journey. It's a feel good moment, just to know that what you started, from scratch, is now catching attention. It's now, getting that attraction, you know what I'm saying? It's amazing, man. It's beautiful, and that's the best part of the grind too. You got to be able to enjoy the process, because if you don't enjoy the process, the result is not gonna mean nothing to you. And that's why the result means a lot to me, because I enjoy the process. Every time I'm up, literally 2 in the morning, working on the content, doing this, doing that, bro, I'm enjoying the process. But people, or in any case, in any situation, people see the results and be like, damn. I'm not saying, the typical, it happened overnight, but people don't understand what you put into something. And that's why when you have a goal, when you have a vision, bro, you just gotta go. Nobody else gonna see the vision just like you, bro. I have to make sure it's recording. But nobody's gonna see the vision like you, so that's why you gotta go hard, bro. You got to do it for you. Don't do it for nobody else. Whatever you got going on, I'm talking to my supporters, my subscribers right now, bro. Whatever you got going on, just stay 10-toe to it. You're not gonna see results, just stick to it. Stay consistent to it. Consistent sound like the same old same. But really, that's the key to success, bro. You gotta be able to show up when you don't feel like it. You gotta be able to show up when you don't see result, and don't grind off based off your result. Because if you grind based off your result, you're not gonna want to grind. You know what I'm saying? For example, you post a video right now, they get 2 views. you discourage you over here. You know, you don't want to upload just because you got 2 views. Now you can't look at it like that. You just gotta be in that. You gotta enjoy what you're doing. You gotta enjoy what you're doing so you can enjoy the fruit of it. So you can enjoy the benefit of it. You know what I'm saying? So you can enjoy the success of it. And that's why I said you can't grind based off the result. The result is amazing, but don't let that be your motivation, bro. Your motivation should be from the mind. Your motivation should be from the mind of you knowing that I enjoy what I'm doing. I'm gonna enjoy this process, and that's how the result comes, bro. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna drive a little bit more. I'm gonna find the location. Probably stop by this gas station real quick. Show y'all the car. So y'all the car. I missed it, bro. For real. I want to get some daylight savings. Some daylight content for Instagram Real and for y'all too. But it is what it is, man. We can't stress about it. We have no control over it. It's gone just right. Different day, right? That's life. Literally, that's life right there. Don't stress what you don't have control over. In this case, we don't have control over the daylight. So we're gonna work with what we got. I'm pretty sure the car is dirty again because of all these rocks on the road and all the wetness of the snow and all other stuff. I can't even grip right. I heard that shit want to pop. I heard it want to. Nah, it don't sound like that, but hey, you get the gist though. Oh damn, dude, back almost hit my car. Damn, y'all heard that? Ain't no way. I ain't even pressed on the gas. Like that shit just want to go. But yeah, like I was saying, the dude on bike was so close to the road, bro. I almost hit the side of my car. He didn't, but I almost hit it. Like, damn, bro. Bring your bike closer to you, man. But yeah, we got a cat on the floor. We got the James. I ain't give it down about no James. I ain't no snicker guy. But I'm gonna wipe it up, though. Before my snickerhead subscribers start saying, bro, ain't no way you just step on the 11s or whatever. What do you call this, bro? The 12, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? It don't matter, because we got Picats on the building, man. Damn, them boys don't got no napkin, don't got no towel, don't got nothing. Damn, hold on. We're gonna talk about it. Show the car in a minute. Damn, bro, they ain't got no towel, no paper towel, no trash can. I say trash can. Damn. F it. Forget it. But y'all, this the light over here is ass. The light over here is trash, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. I might hit a different gas station, man. Yeah, hell no. That shit kill the vibes. What y'all think? I think there's a better view. Appreciate it. I don't know. For some reason, I feel like it's still blurry and I don't know, bro. Hold on. I got some. Check this out. How about now? Much better, huh? That's all. Y'all check this out too, bro. Somebody gave me a gift card yesterday, and guess what it is? It was a Chick-fil-A gift card. So, I'm gonna take y'all along, bro. Let's go grab some of the mutton, man. Yeah, let's go, boy. Let's go eat some Chick-fil-A. But yeah, the car here looking, just my car out. Looks beautiful, man. I love it. I ain't gonna lie, it looks a little bit dirty right now, cause that should be shining. I don't know if it's cause it was sitting in the garage for, you can't really see it, just a little bit. But as an owner, I know what my car look like. My car don't look like this, bro. So yeah, I think it's cause it was in the garage for like a week, 5 days. Nah, matter of fact, today is Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Damn, I'm already outside on a Thursday. But yeah, I think it's cause it's been sitting in the garage for 4 days, and all the dust, and I don't really have a lot of dust in the garage, but them dust that you can't see. I'm trying to find a word to describe it. Unseenable dust. I don't think that's in the dictionary or on Google. I think we just came up with a word, bro. Yo, YouTube. I was about to go to Chick-fil-A. Then my phone's about to die. I'm at 5%, bro. No, I actually ain't. Yes, sir. I forgot my charger. I mean, I got my charger, but I forgot the adapter. Well, oh shit, never mind. I can charge you. Matter of fact, I'm at 5%, bro. I just go ahead in this video, bro. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. A lot of videos on the way. I just wanted to drop something for y'all today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're on the way to 10K subscribers, and as y'all can see, I'm rocking the merch right now. At 10K subscribers, we will drop the merch with a website release. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. And we out. Yes, out. Hold on, before I end it. I already ended, but hey, that's what I was talking about. I got the USB, the newer one, right? And I forgot the adapter. And I can't even plug into my USB-C because it's the newer USB-C thing. But yeah, we out.